in Charles de Gaulle, and we make a quick stop at the Hyatt house, which is just a few minutes away from the airport. 3332 Charles de Gaulle, the Hyatt house. Nice kitchenette, microwave, dining table. This is what about one-bedroom suites here look like. So these are the elevators to the Hyatt Place. So Zoom restaurant is this way. This is the market. You self-scan it, pay with a credit card. And you can expect some local drink delicacies like Coronas and Coke. Some snacks like Oreos. Some essentials, chips, wine, and of course classic French chips like Pringles and Doritos. So this is the common area. So you got the bar right here. You got beer like Beer the Moment, I think. Blonde, Heineken, and some wines. I think they'll make some cocktails too. Foosball table here in the back. You have a small library. Coffee machine here. It's the same ones you see at the lounge, but you pay. So $5 for a double espresso. And then there's this cool chill area here in the back, which is kind of nice. It's surrounded by bottles of wine. So I think it's just open seating, but this is cool. So you can chill, have a drink, and just kind of relax, be more secluded. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Overall, nice common areas. There are also more common areas on level 5. So I'll show you those later. Past the wine seating area, you're gonna come through these doors. And this takes you to the Hyatt house. So now this is the Hyatt house. If you wanted to skip all that, you can also come in through here. Different door, not in the main center. And now we're at the Hyatt house. So let's press up. And to check in, you have to do it on the main one, as it says right here. So this is where you find the fitness center. So it's to the left of Zoom restaurant. When you come through, so the gym is straight ahead, pools to the left. So there's an entrance for men, one for women. This is the gym to the Hyatt Place, Hyatt House. It is shared, so you'll be using the same one. So we look at the weights here, it goes up to 20 kilos. It's about 45 pounds.
And something has my favorite, my little ball.
You have a gym ball, so you can get your stretching going. Some swing balls. So you have 3 treadmill machines.
Everything
multi-function machine here, so you can do pull-ups and stuff, cable machines, a few ellipticals, a couple bikes, and then you have this multi-purpose area to do several types of presses, laterals and stuff, some leg presses here. So not a bad gym. Much better than we just came from Hyatt Regency Barcelona, and that one was very small. So yeah, this one's nice. It's on the first level by the Hyatt Place side, and again, it's used by either guest, Hyatt Place or the house. So next we check out the breakfast at the Hyatt house, which was quite impressive. A lot better than any breakfast at a Hyatt house or place that I've had in the States. So they had a French pastry spread, this big Nutella thing. And those croissants, I gotta tell you, there are some of the best ones that I've had. And so considering they were free, I probably had way too many. They also had a nice like American spread, so you can get your bacon, your eggs. So it was quite an impressive selection. So keep this in mind if you're deciding between the Hyatt house and the Hyatt place, because even though they share the same building, it's the same breakfast place. But if you're staying at the place, there is like a 50 to 20 euro charge, but in the house is included. So keep that in mind. Unless you're a globalist, then it doesn't matter. So overall, quite impressed by it. I would definitely stay at this place again just to have those complimentary croissants. And the best part is that this is a category 2 Hyatt property, which means you can stay for as low as 6,500, average 8,000, peak season about 9,000. So quite a great redemption.